I lost visual.
Later. What?
Let's just go.
Check his car. It's good enough.
This is too risky.
That's a Humvee right there. Ah! I can't get in the Humvee. So I'm gonna bounce.
He's in the barracks closest to you, Alan.
That Humvee's locked though, so I need to bounce. Got the automobile. Go.
Ah! I died.
What? Did you get hit from behind?
I don't.
Okay, Alan, he's coming out of the compound. He's gonna be able to see you at the top of the hill.
Oh god, no! That's an armed Humvee, bro.
It's so
Hold on.
for real.
There's an arm. No keks. There's an arm Humvee. Ah!
Someone's driving right now?
No, it's just okay. It's got broken tires, so I'm just gonna go the opposite way.
Wait, is it unlocked?
I don't know, bro. I don't know. Oh, I'm getting shot at. I'm bleeding.
I got him. I got him. I got both of them.
You legit got them,
I got them.
bro. It's so illegal. You can't do that.
I can't?
No.
Wait,
Oh.
what can he do?
He suicide bombed.
Oh, you can do that.
No, you can't.
You just can't do it in safe zone.
Oh. Okay.
Oh.
Okay.
So,
Good.
did
You're
I
good. Don't
did I
worry
do
about
good, Dylan?
it. Yeah.
And Alan?
Dude, did you
Oh.
record that?